What is conditional cell formatting? The cell formatting based on different conditions is called conditional cell formatting. For example, in this table, here is a column with name department. And in this column, I want to highlight all the cells that have the text electrical. So there are two ways to do this. The first one is to use fill color option and fill all the cells that has the text electrical. But what if I have a large table? It will be very difficult for me to use fill color option. In this situation, I will use conditional formatting option. So now let's see that how we can apply conditional cell formatting on this table. So I will select this entire column and I will go here in Home tab. In Home tab, you can see here an option conditional formatting. Just click here. Here you can find different options, but we want to highlight, so we'll select highlight. And here in this highlight cells rules, you can find different options like greater than, less than, between, equal, text that contain a date occurring, duplicate values. We will select text that contains because we want to highlight the text electrical. So we'll click here. We will type here electrical. Now you can see all the cells that have the text electrical are highlighted with the red color. You can change the color from here and click OK. So we have applied conditional cell formatting and highlighted the cell that contains the text electrical. Now, for example, we want to highlight the edges that are greater than 30. So we'll select this entire column, go in conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and we will select greater than. And here we will type 30. So here these are the edges that are greater than 30. There are also other options related to highlighting cells. Here you can find less than, between, equal to. You can use all these options to apply conditional cell formatting. Now let's talk about data bars. Here's another column with the name annual salary. We want to apply data bars according to the salary. So what we will do, we will just select the entire column, go here in conditional formatting and click here on data bars. Here you can find different data bars. Let's select this. Now you can see the bars with respect to the salary. This is the highest salary. So you can see the bar has filled the entire cell. Instead of bars, you can use other different icons. So let's select this. Go here in conditional formatting. To apply the another rule, we have to clear the rule that has already been applied. So we'll go here in clear rules option and we will select this option, clear rules from the selected cell. So you can see the rule has been cleared. Now again we will go in conditional formatting and now we will go with icons set. Here you can find different icons. These icons have some meanings. For example, if I select this set of icons, so you can see that all the salaries that are the highest in this column have an arrow with the head on the upward side. And the lowest salaries has the arrow, the head on the downward side. Similarly, the medium salaries have an arrow that has the head on the right side. So this is what conditional cell formatting is in Excel. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe the YouTube channel. That's all for this video.